agents. As you can see, the conditions here are challenging, but this underwater tunnel will revolutionize transit between the islands.
We need to finalize the structural supports on Grid 4.
Have you accounted for the revised load-bearing specs?
Yes, the update is reflected in the digital model.
Check the anomaly at grid reference C-7.
Adjusting the frequency. We're getting a clear bathymetric profile now.
Sonar reading looks good, no major voids detected.
Confirmed. Logging the data now.
Rebar coverage is consistent with the blueprint here.
Check the sensor readings right there. We need absolute precision. I've recalibrated it, engineer. The pressure is stabilizing now.
Good. Maintain the flow rate on Sector 4.
Confirming the path is clear for the transfer. Keep it steady, 40 feet up. Path is clear, bringing it down slowly.
Easy on the alignment there, pull it slightly to the left. Got it. How does that look? Perfect, lock it down.
Confirmed alignment at 45 meters. Maintain current descent rate.
Roger that. Descent rate holding steady. Approaching final position.
for stability, we have green across the board.
Excellent. Proceed with the final injection sequence.
The laser confirms the alignment is perfect on this section.
Excellent. We'll continue the paving run.
Air velocity is within tolerance. The system is fully operational.
Confirmed. I'll log the readings.
Pressure stabilizing at 50 psi. No leaks detected on the upper quadrant.
Confirmed. Data matches the simulation parameters.
The final evaluation confirms everything is up to standard.
Agreed. The tunnel is approved for operation.
This tunnel represents a triumph of engineering and collaboration. We are proud to open it today. This historic moment marks the official opening of the Cross Bay Tunnel.
Finally, it's open.
The completed bridge represents a $50 billion infrastructure success, connecting the shores
We finished this project under budget and ahead of schedule. Now, we want you to be a part of the next big thing.